Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, SharonB Life by SharonB. Hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you won't miss every time I post. Yo, it's SharonB Life by SharonB. Let's go. From TikTok T to side hustle stacks, blowing up strong. Yeah, I'm never looking back. Fitness, finesse, I'm keeping it lit. Social media queen, got the hustle and grit. Cashing in with reels, trying to win. Vibes stay real from the start to the end. Story times, wow. Come sip this tea. Subscribe, tune in. It's SharonB. So thank you guys for joining me. So this video is just a follow-up to the other videos, that my prior videos regarding how to pick products, how to get sales, different tips that I got from different creators. So in this video is just me giving you an update regarding the tips that I followed from these creators and the sales that I got for this month. So that's what I'm going to include in here. I implemented everything that the tips of the prior videos, and I seen results, guys. I am seeing sales coming in. I gained over almost 700 something new followers by just dropping videos every day, like multiple videos a day, going live. So a lot of the tips that these creators in my past videos, so you guys want to check them out or go check out my playlist for TikTok affiliates. You want to check out that playlist, and all of the creators that I included in there give you some great tips regarding getting started in the TikTok affiliate world. So yeah, I'm going to include here, so stick around, how my sales has increased, and how the tips and sales that I am making. I newly got into this, as I said before in the previous videos. I just became a TikTok affiliate in May. So I only May the 1st exactly. So it's been a little over a month that I've been a TikTok affiliate, and I've been making sales. I've been implementing all the things that I've put in my prior videos. I've been doing all of those things, and it has helped me tremendously gain followers and get sales and free products. I didn't talk about that before the sales. I got a gang of free products. I'll talk about that in the next video. This video is about sales. My next video will be about all the free products that I have got. So I would say, even though I didn't make sales, I did get a gang of free products. But I'm going to include here the sales I have made since I've been doing this. And, it's nothing to break the bank about right now, but I can see it is working. And they're gearing up for July for these big sales. Sellers have been contacting me on videos I've been making for them. And they've been like, hey, give me your ad code. I'll talk about that in another video, ad codes. So they're gearing up for their sales that's coming out in July. And I made sure I've been making multiple videos a day. Like one day, I think I post like 20 videos. I'm trying to do that per day. I'm trying to get up to 20 videos a day. Yesterday, I did a minimum. I only did like 5 videos. I feel like, dang, my sales could have been a little higher if I think if I would have posted a little more. So I've been doing that. Today, I have more to post because I did batch posting, which is talked about in tips in the other videos. Batch posting, that helped me shoot out over 20 videos by doing that. So This video, I'm just going to show the sales I made so far and how their advice is really working. So I would say check out my playlist and really implement. If you're doing this TikTok affiliate, really implement what these creators are telling you. They're not gatekeeping. That's what I love about TikTok. They don't gatekeep. I drop all their handles so you can check them out and get the same advice. And if you're looking into this or you already into the TikTok affiliate, those tips are great and it does help you get sales, also followers and brands looking at you. So again, that's what this video is about. Just going to show the sales I made so far by implementing all these tips that's really working. And I may put in here a few more creators giving you tips about sales. So I'll include that, maybe about 3 creators that I'm following that their tips are really, really helping me. And I'm so thankful. I go on their page. I thanking them and telling them that this stuff is really working. And I'm just excited. And if you're looking into this, I'm saying it's not oversaturated. Like anybody can do this and not feel like, oh, it's too many people doing it. No, trust me. My little old self, I'm a little creator, able to make sales, growing my account. So yeah, just stick around with me for this TikTok series because this is a journey that hope I get to stay on. And as I make success along the way or any, trouble any stumbles or falls, I'm going to make a video and let you guys know in case you're on this same journey or you even thinking about it that everyday person can do this. I'm looking to get up there to the days, they're making $30,000 a month. Hey, it's coming. It's coming because I keep implementing what they're saying and it's really working. Like again, this is what this video is. I just want to show you guys sales I've been making and that these tips are really working. So yeah, keep rocking with me and check out my TikTok affiliates playlist. And every video is helpful. So again, yes.
I'm going to share with you guys 2 things that I changed that I feel like personally helped me increase my sales and increase my income. I started TikTok Shop to make extra money. It is literally a business to me and I run it that way. I have no interest in being an influencer. I could care less about how many followers I have. I don't post anything personal on my shop page. It is strictly business over there. So here are the things that I changed, and if you want me to explain more on it, I can make another video. But 1, I switched myself from being an honest review style affiliate to viewing myself as a marketing department. Honest review style pretty much when sellers could rate creators on the review that they give their product. So now instead of reviewing products based solely on my opinion of them, now I'm marketing them instead of really reviewing them. So I'm showing the consumer what they look like in my hands, what they look like in my home, how the product works, the different angles of the product. I'm showing them me using it, but for the most part, I'm leaving my opinion out of it. Because let's be honest, not everything that I truly do love, you're gonna love, and vice versa. So I'll let the consumer make that decision on their own. Side note, that's for products that I don't really have an opinion of either way. If I like really love something, I'll still say it, but if I don't really have an opinion on it, I'll just leave it out. It also opens you up to like every product under the sun instead of limiting yourself to like a little niche. My best niche is home and living because that's just what sells best for me, but I promote everything. Okay, that one was long. 2, this one's gonna be short and sweet. I post for the For You page, not my followers. Like I said, I run it as a business and a business is what you get. So if I have a product that I promoted in a video that is doing well, I'm going to recreate it over and over and over again until it just doesn't work well for me anymore. I don't limit myself to posting content based on what I think my followers would like. I post content that I think is going to get pushed to the millions and millions of people on the For You page. Again, this is personal to me. Some people were influencers before they became shop affiliates. So if that is like your brand and that's what works for you, then keep doing that. But if you run your account similar to how I do, then those are some tips maybe that would help you.
Full transparency, I've been doing the TikTok shop for 7 months, and last month, well, almost 7 months. Last month alone, March 1st to March 31st, I had 50,000 plus in GMV, and I made 5,000, the most I've ever made in TikTok shop. And guys, I still work a 9 to 5. I have 4 kids, and I made 5,000. Is this life-changing money for me? No. To be quite honest, I make more of that at my 9 to 5, but that's an extra income that I could do other stuff or put into my knowledge and investing in training or whatnot. But one thing that I would say that I would have done differently, and the reason why I say I would have done differently, because I got my sister to do the same thing, and it's to promote, basically stop promoting, well, I won't say start promoting products that are not fully trending as of yet. What I mean by that is, if you see a nice, like, shoes or pants or some new product, electronic, that's not really trending at the moment, like let's say they have this just like $1,000 and sold, start promoting those products. Because yes, you can go to Calidata and you can promote the top trending products, but then there's a lot of people promoting. So what got me like this was putting myself away from what the crowd is doing, in a sense. So the more you promote these products that sold like about 1,000, the more you add to your arsenal, the more of those sales are going to come in. So if I could have done anything differently, or if I could have told someone how to get to this, would be to start promoting products that you see on a TikTok shop that sold probably like 1,000. And if you like it and it resonate with you, start promoting a lot of those. I promise you, if you do 10 videos of that same product, one of them is gonna pop. Because you don't know what you're gonna do. As far as with videos, you don't know what's gonna work. You gotta do more videos to know what hook work or what call.
So I wanted to include here, I did have two viral videos, and both were shop videos. And the corset one that I have, this one right here, this one, I made multiple videos of it. So it eventually went viral, like she was stating. So I did just want to include that there. Like, that does work, doing multiple videos and having one pop off. This one popped off for me, and I did make sales on half of the sales actually that came from those corset vests came from this video right here. So yes, those tips work. Like I said, I've been implementing them because they work. So I just wanted to include here to show you guys that I did have viral videos from following these tips. Now, especially with this corset, because that was one of my first, this is the first product that I got, and I purchased it as a refundable sample. So after I made 3 sales, I was able to get refunded. I talked about that on my prior video. I was able to get refunded, so I got it for free after I sold 3 of these. And this one has been one of my best ones, so I promote this a lot. I have multiple videos with this. I went live with this. I'm actually in this video that I just made. I'm wearing this corset because I really wear it. It really is a great corset. So that's why I've been pushing this, because it actually is great and is inexpensive. But this was my other video went viral. It was some sunglasses, but actually I didn't make any sales on that. I got more followers off of this viral video than the sunglasses. They were some pretty the sunglasses were kind of expensive, but they nice.
All the action work. You got to do at least 10 videos, but keep adding more to your arsenal. So that way now you have a whole list of a bunch of products that every day you get a trickle of a sale, because you've been promoting those little low ticket, haven't popped up off as of yet. So I'm still in amazement about this, just because I've been doing this almost 7 months, and finally I'm having, like, in February I had 1,500. This month will be 5K. This is my 5th week, and I'm at over 1K every week this is my 5th week over 1K. So I'll leave you guys with this tip. I'll try to post as much as I can on here. Again, if you could follow, like, share, or if you could resonate with this, follow me, and I'll probably promote more, or show more videos on this. But I'm just wanted to share this, like, hey, I'm no different from you. All I did was be more consistent, haven't been disciplined in posting, and I didn't quit. So if you are right where you are and you feel like nothing's popping off, try what I just told you and see how your results is in the next month. And let me know in the comments.
So I just wanted to include here 2 more creators that have different tips that I'm actually going to try to see how those work. But they gave out some great tips there. So the one that I'm thinking about the most is acting, using this like a business. Like, make all of my TikTok about TikTok shop affiliate videos, because now I even feel weird when I make normal videos. I have like 2 I made over the last 2 weeks, and it feels awkward. So I'm going to start just, doing that. And like she stated, the first creator, like, doing it where you can get multiple products coming in a way of not what just like you like, looking at it in the way of the consumer. So I made 20 sales since May, from May 1st to June, and this is the commission I made. Like I said, nothing to break the bank with, but I have been making sales. So I I am I'm happy. So and my biggest seller is the corset. I have other things like household things, but mostly the corsets is my biggest sellers. So I try to do more things about corsets and fajas and things like that. But this corset is my biggest seller. So those are the things these are the biggest ones that I've been selling. Mostly the corsets and waist trainers has been my biggest sellers. So, but those tips work. And I just wanted to show here, I did gain over 752 followers within this month. And over 100 something last night from a video that I dropped yesterday. Well, I dropped like 5, and one of them got a little traction, and I gained over 100 and some followers alone last night. So all of the tips are working, and I think that it is great what these creators are telling you. And this is my sales for May, and then this is my sales for June. I just wanted to let y'all guys see that. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see y'all next time.